trust the cycles of life to bring me exactly what I need. I am worthy of a rich and abundant harvest. Blessings arrive in perfect time for me. I give thanks for every blessing of this season of life. I rejoice in the abundance that is always surrounding me. Every blessing I receive is a reflection of seeds I have sown with love. I am aligned with the natural rhythm of giving. I am aligned with the natural rhythm of receiving in life. My harvest is filled with joy, peace, and prosperity always. Every day I receive countless blessings. I acknowledge the countless blessings in my life. I live every day as if I've asked to live again. I live every day as if it's a second chance. I live every day as if it's my last. My gratitude nurtures the soil of my life and multiplies my blessings. I am blessed beyond measure by the abundance of the universe. My heart is a vessel and it overflows with beauty and love. My heart is a vessel and it overflows with abundance.